Alright guys, so it's like 1 month on with truck 1 here, and there's some problems. I just took it out to lunch and it was acting like it was slamming pistons and it didn't want to run. And it was perfectly fine on the way up, so there's some misfire stuff going on here. Try to fix it. try her out again this time. Oh, it's so much better. So much better. Oh, wow. This is smoother than it is ran since I've owned it. This is about the smoothest it's ran since I've owned it. It's probably the smoothest it's ran in years. All right, leaving the grocery store. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Guys, I think we can call this fixed. I think we can call this a success. All right, guys, so we fixed truck one again. This is a little bit of a short deal, but, you know, on trucks like this that have 200,000 miles on them, you got to keep them running. In order to do that, you got to keep up with them, keep on top of them, and fix everything as soon as it breaks. Until next time, I'm B. Dean Barry, Keystone Prime, and I thank you for watching.